A firefighter spots a tiny animal lying on the floor of his garage.
Buddy.
He gently picks her up. She's alive, but barely moving.
Oh my goodness.
He couldn't understand why the hummingbird was unable to move. No broken wings, no visible wounds. So what's stopping her from flying? He gave her a little bit of sugar water.
Drink some sugar water.
That's when he notices something strange. Her wings aren't injured. The hummingbird was covered in cobwebs.
Oh man. They are covered in cobwebs.
Carefully, slowly, he starts peeling them away. One wing frees, then the other. Then something beautiful happened.
Ooh.